the number one tax mistake that you're probably making as a new business owner? Number one, when you're a sole proprietor, depending on your location, but this is true for a lot of locations, you're probably going to pay around 30% tax. 30%, yes, that means for every $100 you make, $30 goes to tax. If you're a corporation, your tax rate is far, far less. So for the first $500,000 you make, it's 13%. Now, I'm not a tax professional, but something that I learned pretty quickly was the value of incorporating my business so that I could pay lower taxes on the money that I was making. Now, of course, when you pay yourself personally, you're still going to pay tax on that. But what you can do with a corporation is you would put all your money into the corporation and then you pay yourself only what you need to live, okay? And then beyond that, if you have savings in your business, you can invest in what's called corporate investments. So that money stays in your business. You don't pay tax on that money until you need it, and you can actually have that grow wealth for you. So I am not a tax professional. Talk to your tax professional. But I wanted you to know that if you're a new business owner, if you're a consultant, if you're taking money out of your business as a sole proprietor and just paying yourself directly and paying that 30% tax or more, that's a mistake that can be quickly fixed by talking to an accountant.